Hello.
Hello. Hi, Adam. This is Maxim calling on behalf of Elevate Bank. You had filled a form on our website saying that you're looking for a home loan. Is this a good time to talk?
Yeah, I have a few minutes. Go ahead.
Sure. Adam, so this call is to help you understand what you qualify for and find the most affordable loan for you. So we'll take some time to discuss your current situation, your current eligibility, and I'll help you out with the next steps. How does that sound?
All right, sounds reasonable. Let's see what you've got.
So, Adam, to start off, I would like to find out a few details about your current home situation, your eligibility criteria in terms of your credit score, your income, your designation, how long you've been with your current employer, and a few other details like that. Is it okay if I ask you those questions so that I can understand what eligibility would you fall under?
Yeah, go ahead. I can share those details.
So Adam, so are you already having a house, or is this something that you're looking to buy in the upcoming days?
We're looking to buy our first home soon.
Okay, so and I'm guessing this would be your primary residence then, is that correct?
Yes, that's right. It'll
Uh,
be our main place to live.
Perfect. All right. So congratulations on that, Adam. And I wanted to know what is the estimated purchase price that you're looking for currently?
We're thinking around $450,000.
Got it. And how much are you planning to pay upfront out of that amount?
About 10% as a down payment.
Okay. And coming to a little bit about your professional details, Adam. So, are you self-employed? Are you a contractor? Or are you employed with any of the companies?
I'm employed full time as a software engineer.
Got it. And how long have you been with the current employer?
Just over 3 years now.
And what is the annual gross income that you earn currently?
It's around $85,000 a year.
Perfect. And do you have any idea of what your approximate credit score is?
Yeah, it's in the mid 700s.
Okay, all right. And do you have any existing debts on maybe a car or anything else?
Just a car loan that I'm paying off.
Perfect. All right. So Adam, so help me understand what are you looking for in the home loan, and what are some of the criteria that you think you will be keen about when you're deciding the home loan that you will opt for.
Well, I'm mostly looking for something straightforward and predictable. I want a fixed rate so I know exactly what my payments will be each month. Also, it's important that the lender is clear about any fees or extra costs. No surprises. The process should be smooth too, because I don't want to waste time on complicated paperwork.
Perfect. All right. So, Adam, let me help you out with a little bit of details. But to get you the exact quote, I would have to prepare a detailed proposal for you, which would take a little bit of time, maybe a few days. But for now, I can give you an approximate number based on what you have mentioned so far. So, I think for you, based on what you have mentioned, your interest rate would fall somewhere between 6 to 6.5%. Of course, it will vary based on the details that you have mentioned, which our internal team will figure out and get back to you. And if you're opting for a fixed interest over a period of 15 years, you will also have like a 0.5 to 0.7% lower interest as well. And we would not expect anything more than 5% as a down payment. But since you said that you're looking for 10%, that should reduce your interest rate a little more further as well. And we are flexible with 15, 20, 30 years of the tenure period. And we have like a completely digital process where you don't have to fill in any paperwork. All of this is done online in your phone or a laptop, which is completely seamless and easy to complete. We also have a single loan officer who will process all your payments, all your details, so that you don't have to worry about dealing with a team or reaching out to multiple people who don't understand all your details. And we have absolutely no hidden fees. We believe in transparency, so all the details of the payments and the fees that you'll incur detailed out upfront in your policy itself, so you will absolutely have no surprises.
All right, that sounds promising so far. I like the idea of a single loan officer handling everything. Makes it less confusing. The digital process is good too since I'm pretty busy, but I'm a bit skeptical about the interest rates you mentioned. 6 to 6.5% is a bit broad. Can you clarify how exactly my down payment affects that rate?
Sure. So the down payment would determine what would be the final interest rate that you get. The more you pay, the lesser interest that we will be able to offer you. That's because since you've paid already a larger lump sum upfront, it would have like a smaller reduction in the interest rate that you're going to pay for. The exact details is something which I will be able to do it once we run it internally, once we run your profile and the details that you have mentioned internally and get back to you. So maybe I can answer that question better when we schedule another call after a couple of days.
Hmm, that's a bit vague. I was hoping for a clearer picture now, not just maybe later. I get that there's some internal stuff, but it feels like you're dodging the question. I need to know if this is really worth my time before moving forward.
Absolutely, I understand that, Adam. But the exact number is something that the internal team can determine because we'll have to run your profile through a pre-qualification process. So this is a no obligation pre-qualification process, which will help us determine where exactly your eligibility falls under. And once that is approved, you'll have a much clearer picture. So is that okay if I run your profile through a no obligation pre-qualification process to understand the details better for you?
All right, I get that. I'm okay with the pre qualification process as long as it's no obligation and you're clear about what it means. Just don't want to feel pressured later on.
Absolutely. I'll be running this through a pre-qualification process, Adam, and this is completely no obligation, so you're not tied into anything. This is just to help us determine what is your eligibility like and what is the best loan that we can offer for you.
Okay, that's helpful to hear. I appreciate the clarity on that part. Let's proceed with that then.
Sure. So, Adam, this process typically takes 48 business hours. So, if I run this now, I think we will have the details in the next 2 days. So, is it okay if I schedule another call with you probably in 3 days' time, maybe on Thursday?
Thursday works. Just make sure you have all the details ready by then. I don't want to waste time going back and forth.
Absolutely, Adam. So, Adam, how does a call at around 11 a.m. sound on Thursday for you?
That's fine. I'll keep my morning free for that.
Absolutely, Adam. So thanks a lot, Adam. So I'll circle back on Thursday 11 a.m. and by then we should have a detailed proposal for you and we'll take it from there.
All right, that works for me. I'll expect the detailed proposal by then. Thanks for the call.